Today threats to safety and security lurk around every sector and traditional methods are costly and labor-intensive. The existing surveillance system requires an additional workforce to manually monitor security guards on a real-time basis, which can be a subjective matter. Currently these solutions are available in the market, but they come with the following disadvantages mentioned below. So how to get the highest level of security which is not expensive and doesn't require an additional hardware system? That's where AIVID's AI-based video analytics software comes into play. Let's take an example. Suppose you have to monitor a premises of 1,000 square feet. You have assigned one security guard to do patrolling every hour. Now you want to check whether they are following the defined SOPs or not. Every hour security guard has to go in front of camera and then wave, to register his presence. The system will automatically send real-time alerts based on the following guard gesture. You can check instances for guard absence and download the report on a single platform. Our system can work with your existing 2MP camera and generate inspection reports and alerts in real time. Don't take risk with your physical security operations. Discover how AIVID Tech Vision can integrate with your existing surveillance system to make your premise more secure. Contact us today.